Yeah, hi Steve, this is Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your CD mech. It's all working as it should be. Yeah, I mean there's bloody loads wrong with it. It's yeah, pretty bad state to be honest with you, mate. I've changed the board on it. Alright, this is your board, this is your original board, okay? I've actually gone ahead, before I've done anything else, I did change these two caps for you. And I'm still not getting, they look bulgy. I mean, I don't know whether you can see. Let me just grab the one that's, I mean there's one there, I don't know whether you can see that, but it's actually bulging out, which is quite different for that board, if that makes sense, because these boards you know, people say you got to change caps on them. You ain't got to change caps on these things, but if they're swollen from the top, I do change them, because that means something's leaking there and it's not right to expand inside, if that makes sense. But I have noticed, I've gone over your board a little bit. I haven't spent hours, because you can just lose yourself so long in these things. You know, I've obviously gone over it to see if there's any components missing, because what usually happens is when people take them out of machines, they use screwdrivers and all sorts of things to lever it out. But what I did notice is there's a lot of dry joints, but they're not normal. They're not dry joints. What they are, basically, they're corroded joints. So at some stage or the other, it's this JukeBox or this mechanism has been sort of sitting in a garage or an outbuilding where it's had a bit of damp in there. You know, it's not had water spilt on it, but I'm just sort of saying it's like it's been in a garage, someone's garage, or you know, like an outbuilding for X amount of time to make this happen. You know, I mean the board's all right as such, but what you need to do is get someone to go over it and, I don't know, check all these components, because the thing is, it just takes me too long, and it's, you know, I'd rather just give you another board, because the bloody bill for this, you know, it's going to be stupid money. Sort of going over that. But anyway, I've put another board on for you, so that's cured that problem. Right, new laser, new board, new micro switch as well. There's a micro switch as well. It's a little bit that goes on the top there, and it's what it does is your laser goes up the top and hits it. And what yours was doing was making like a noise. So I changed that, and that's all working as it should be now.